take a stroll on a long walk up the aisle. Met a little girl and I started to talk of the fun someday. And I asked your friend what I felt like to do, 'cause her hair was black and her eyes were blue. And I knew right then I'd be taking a walk on the solid strong with a Galway girl. And I asked your friend what I felt like to do, 'cause the hair was black and the eyes were blue. And I took her hand and I gave her a trial, and I lost my heart to a Galway girl. I was alone with a broken heart and a ticket home. And I asked you now, tell me what would you do if her hair was black and her eyes were blue? And I've traveled around, I've been all over this world, but I've never seen nothing like a Galway girl.